Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick one. We're going to be changing out a water pump for our wiper washers. The motor's gone on the other one, so I'm going to look it out, show you how easy it is. The pump for the wiper washers is located just under the headlight behind the bumper. You could probably access it from underneath, but just to make it easier, I've taken off the steering wheel and the arching. And then you can find it just in here. It's as simple as disconnect it, take off the pipes and pull it out. Then your next one just slides in. And it's as simple as that. Before we finish up, we'll just double check by using the fronts and backs, just to make sure we've got the pipes in the right way and to make sure this is still the same configuration. So as you see there, it is actually going the wrong way, even though these cables are connected right, so this must be backwards flow. So to fix that, simply unplug it, cross the pipes, plug it back in, perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, either leave a comment or find me on Facebook. Cheers guys.